Hello, my name is Samantha Luark, and today I'm going to tell you how to save the world. The rate of pollution from industrialization and consumer consumption is staggering and only increases every day. As an environmental management student, I believe that the way to stop the rate of contamination of our world's resources is by informing individuals about sustainability practices. If we don't stop the effects of industrialization and consumption, there will be grave environmental and human health effects. Today we will learn why sustainability is so necessary by talking about the dire environmental concerns and the way sustainability alleviates some of these concerns. Then we will learn how easy it is to help. Industrialization and development negatively impact the environment and human health when not handled correctly. All environmental concerns affect both humans and the global ecology. Some of the most prevalent concerns from the environment include waste products. Waste, especially landfill waste, is a very serious problem, and it's encouraged by the throwaway lifestyle of developed countries. This throwaway lifestyle causes waterways to be filled with trash and toxins, and causes developing countries to be filled with the developed countries' trash waste. As the trash piles up, our resources are consumed, and we no longer have a stockpile of resources at our fingertips. The resources that are necessary for an industrialized lifestyle are going to run out. Another important environmental concern is our water resources. We have a finite amount of drinkable water on the planet. It's less than 1%, and some of that drinking water is completely unreachable to us. 1 in 5 people do not have access to potable drinking water. That's safe drinking water. And that's because, some of the times, it's because of the contaminants in our waterways. Even in developed countries, waterways aren't always safe. Some waterways have restrictions on recreational activities. And while water treatment facilities can make this water potable, we're still unsafe being near that water. There are many benefits to sustainability, but what is sustainability? The EPA defines sustainability as creating and maintaining the conditions under which humans and nature can exist in productive harmony that permit fulfilling the social, economic, and other requirements for present and future generations. Sustainability has a simple motto: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The benefits of sustainability include decreased pollution, less harvesting of raw materials, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, reductions of waste to landfills, cleaner waterways, and some individuals and companies can save money on energy and goods by being sustainable. There are many organizations devoted to the environmental and the human condition. But these environmental concerns won't stop without help from individuals who are sustainable. And it can be so easy to be sustainable if you just use the 3 R's. The first R is reduce waste and consumption. If we buy less, companies will make less. And we need to buy smartly by stopping buying disposable products and start buying reusable products. And once we buy these reusable products, we need to remember to use the reusable products. An example of this is buying an expensive digital camera and remembering to bring that on our trips instead of buying a disposable camera. We also need to remember to buy the reusable grocery bags at stores. And if we forget to use these reusable grocery bags, remember to use paper instead of plastic, because paper is so much more recyclable and it's biodegradable. Many people let the water run when they don't need it. It seems small, but 20% of our population, of the world's population, doesn't have access to potable water, and these people are wasting it, letting it go down the drain when they don't need it. We need to remember to only use water when we need it and to try and use less of it. That means shorter showers and finding out when it's the right time to water your lawn so that the water doesn't evaporate before it can do something useful. The second R is reuse materials that we would usually throw away. If we reuse these materials, that means that they stay out of the landfills. Even plastic bags and water bottles can be reused effectively. The third R is recycle. We need to recycle those items that we can't reuse so that they can be made into new things, because these items are usually made out of materials that aren't biodegradable. And that means if we throw them away, they're going to be forever in a landfill or forever polluting the earth. We need to remember that the effects of pollution won't stop unless you help by being sustainable. The way to be sustainable is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. And I hope you keep that in mind for your future actions. Thank you.